It's crazy how being a trader, you're constantly faced with being able to take money from the market at any time, but not all the time is the right time. So this will really help avoiding any unnecessary losses. Today we're going to be analyzing when and when not to trade. We're going to break it down into a multiple step-by-step process to determine one, if you're in the right state to trade, two, if there's any good probability opportunities present, and three, execution. Let's do it.
Oh, oh,
First thing you want to realize here, even as a day trader, you do not have to trade every day. This is crucial because for the most of us, we're not at our peak and best performance every day, which brings us into the first step, identifying what state we're in and what state we need to be in to deliver optimal performance when trading. Trading has many roles depending on the person. You may not be using your own money to trade with, or you may have saved up a year's worth of work. Either way, trading can be both fun and frustrating. So you're going to want to be aware and have it managed as you know that you're going to be coming into these states when trading. What this kind of looks like is if you're on a streak, you still want to take the time to look over your trades as you may find yourself drifting away from your rules and taking on more risk. When it comes to day trading, it's all about state management. You don't want to be trading from a state of frustration and anger, as that will show up in your trading performance. You want to be trading out of a state of determination and focus, as you'll get better results. The second thing really is just knowing your strategy and knowing when it's present. The quality of the setup and having the awareness and discipline to either not take the trade if the quality doesn't meet the strategy standards, or capitalizing on the probable opportunity as soon as it's recognized, in which is a skill and a skill that can be developed by simply making a decision and standing by it. Ask yourself whether is this a A quality setup, yes or no. Let the setup play. Keep the same answer and attitude throughout the whole trade, and soon you'll be able to realize the quality of your decisions. At the end of the day, you can have all the trading knowledge in the world, but it all comes down to execution. Are you or are you not entering at these desired spots? Figure out why or why not, and then go back to execution and try again. This is something that's not mastered over a few trades. It's a place where you're going to constantly have to be making adjustments and learning from, as well as a lot of repetition, but it's also what makes and breaks traders. So it's something that you should be familiar with. Don't take execution for granted, thinking it's just hitting the buy and sell button, but think of the buy and sell buttons as decisions that will make or break you as a trader. To really master execution, you want to make sure that your strategy is written down so you know exactly where to enter, where to stop out, and where to put your targets. So it's easy to go back and look over, is this the specific spot that I was supposed to enter or stop out? Figure out why, and keep that repetition going to really master those entries and exits for your executions. I've been getting emails and DMs from some of you guys about trading coaching. Let me know in the comments if you think I would be a good coach. I'm really curious to see what the rest of you guys think. Anyways, that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Catch you guys later.